Are you looking for the best DJI drones? In this video we will look at some of the best DJI drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DJI FPV Combo. The DJI FPV Combo is a fantastic camera drone, but it's more than that. It's also a full-fledged flight experience. DJI FPV syncs up to a pair of goggles that put you in the cockpit of this drone. You see what the drone sees as it soars through the skies. It's as immersive as any great VR game, only with a good bit more realism thanks to the powerful 4K camera inside FPV. The super wide-angle view may be a little too jarring for some, but definitely provides an addicting experience. Aside from that, it's one of the easiest DJI drones to control, with seamless flying in any environment. You can customize the LED lights on the drone's arms. There are even multiple modes of control with its innovative controller. For a few dollars more, you can even sync it up to a fairly responsive motion controller. All this flight magic is possible, but only after a not-so-simple assembly. But once it's built, the experience is relatively seamless. Number 2. DJI Mini 2. Aside from being a featherweight drone, DJI Mini 2 also takes up close to no space and fits in both backpacks and some larger pockets. The camera is good, not great, but on par with the kind you'd find in more affordable smartphones. But it will get the job done when it comes to taking scenic photos and 4K videos. Unlike many drones made for beginners, this one actually sports an above-average battery life and can stay airborne for a little longer than 30 minutes on average. That is if weather conditions are ideal. Environments are sort of where the DJI Mini 2 soars or sinks. We recommend not flying around obstructions like trees or walls. This may cause the remote to disconnect from the drone and cause crashing, or worse, accidents that damage the drone. As long as you take it easy with this drone, the value is great for anyone starting out. Number 3. DJI Mavic 3. Developed by leading camera manufacturer Hasselblad, the 4/3 CMOS photo camera has 12.8 stops of dynamic range, vision detection, autofocus technology, and plenty more DSLR-like features. If you're looking to shoot flashy nature videos, you can record anywhere from 4 to 5.1K, depending on how many frames per second you're willing to dedicate to the action. It even supports Apple ProRes, which makes it perfect for any video that's Final Cut bound. Best of all, you can rest easy that all that precious and pricey camera tech is protected by some of the most enhanced safety features DJI offers. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing keeps this drone from crashing or even bumping into things that would otherwise destroy it. As far as controls go, they don't come smoother than DJI Mavic 3. It's a pro video shooting, sky soaring beast. But that price tag is also high enough to scrape the stratosphere. If you're looking for a premium drone option to end all premium drone options, the DJI Mavic 3 is easy to recommend. Number 4. DJI Mini 3 Pro. Like the other drones in the DJI Mini line, this device is incredibly portable, especially when it's folded up. Go on, slide it in your pocket, it should fit. Despite being small, it's no slouch when it comes to power and flight time. On a full charge, it can stay airborne for 47 minutes under ideal conditions. If it's a windy day, you may get diminishing returns when it comes to how long it will stay in the sky. Users also reported that the Range Mini 3 Pro is less than accurate. Dubious flight ability aside, the drone is small enough that you may be able to fly it in places where larger drones are verboten. The camera is fairly stellar, with 4K video that shoots up to 60 FPS. It's got better than average obstacle sensors too, so you can fly about with peace of mind. You can also purchase optional upgrades for battery life and control if you outgrow its many flashy features.